What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Valkyrie TR 4S. Yeah, I got it. I can run it today. I can really run it today. This is gonna be my first bash spot at Simon's. I'm gonna bash it up here first. I can't do a speed test. My nav is down for a little while. I'm just gonna rip her up real around here, see how I can handle it. From what I'm seeing, it's a little wiry. You know, I added my little stickers to it, didn't add lights to it yet. That's coming. Let's get into it. Ooh, this thing is a rocket. That little crack over in the this thing seems like a little beast though. Oh. Wiry as hell, I'll tell you that much. Another thing I wanted to see, it handles like the MT, the Valkyrie MT. It just the front end stays down. You know that battery came out. The funny part is that I ran this into a tree. Usually take me a while to even attempt to break something, but this one, I was testing the battery, see what push it got. Went to an unfamiliar place and ran into a tree and broke it. So what I had to do, since I don't got parts for it yet, I had to take it off my MT, which I did not want to do, but I wanted to do this video. Perfect. And the connector came out. Yeah. I really don't like zip tying the battery connectors together, but I might do that. I like for it to be able to give a little bit, but I think I'm a thing is smooth though. That Hobbywing kicking. I don't know which one I like. The MT is like a mad truck. It just be wheeling and nice control wheelies though, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna switch that out. This is a nuisance right here. Yo, this thing is a rocket though. Just like the MT. Stop it. That's crazy. And I'm running that CNHL battery in there. So it's really pushing. 120 C4S battery. Handling the grass pretty good. Trying to I should take it easy on a little bit, but I want to hit up here. This ain't the only place I'm gonna run at too. This is just part one. ain't hit them trash cans. Thing, it's a beast. Yeah, I was going right for that trash can. I gotta worry about the temps because I am like full throttling and non-stopping. Let's go to this basketball court real quick. See if I can. Oh. Yeah, she got hot there because I was full throttle the whole pull, you know, the whole run. So what I'm gonna do is switch locations. So I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm at a new location now. I'm at this park right here, if you can see that. Cheltenham Township, Ellis A. Gimble. I'll go up this way. See, this thing got great handling. Let me check that speed real quick, see what that was. And you see that? $40 miles an hour. Oh, come on. You can do more than that. Oh, the battery didn't come out. That's a plus. Yeah, I'm gonna check that speed. I ain't doing no more speed tests. And we got 45, right? 40. Still 40 miles an hour. Whatever. Yeah, it looked like it was a lot faster. But that crash right there, I noticed the battery did not come out. Yo. But I don't know why I even went over here.
Yo, check this out.
But this hold it down more. Maybe if I tighten up the, maybe they got the diff fluid a little different in this one. Redcats are my favorite for this summer. Really starting to be my favorite this summer. A couple Redcats is like my summertime favorites, which I'm gonna have a video on my top 5 favorite RC cars for the summertime. Perfect. I cannot get it even.
Get over here!
Yeah, I'm finished the bash now, and yo, this thing is off the charts. CNHL, man, it's the same battery I had earlier. Same battery I did a speed test. I did not switch it out, and the car overheated. So CNHL battery definitely won that battle. Yeah, but the Valkyrie, it's more about the Valkyrie and the battery also. But the Valkyrie is a beast. The RT, I mean the TR, or whatever, the Truggy. Guess that what it meant. Monster, I mean, TR stands for Truggy, MT stands for Monster Truck. I got it now. But yeah, this car is off the charts. If I had to choose, I think I would still choose the MT over it. But this thing is up there. Redcat is doing a thing this year. You know what I'm saying? It is doing a thing. They had the Vigil Annie, they got this, the MT, they got the crawlers. I mean, they got the low riders. Redcat ain't no joke. But you see, I ended it because, for one, the dog was chasing my car and he was having fun with it. Everybody has fun with RC cars, but at the end of the day, RC car wins that one, but CNHL beats the car. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.
Well done.